The potential of Excel will not lie solely in the possibility of introducing values, or introducing expressions that carry out operations on these values and showing us specific results on screen. But also we are going to be able to add some operations to others, creating a snowball effect. In other words, I could now introduce a new expression that makes use, not only of some of the data appearing on the screen, for example, the specific content 23 that is in the cell 1, but maybe I could even multiply that by one of the values or contents of the cell as of right now, which contains an expression that we had already introduced, the 57 for example, which contains the expression of the sum of the two previous values. We now see that the references in the cells. We can also organize chained expressions, basically creating new ones from the ones that we have already calculated in the past. Here we have, by hitting the Enter key, this product of the value 23 with the result of the expression A1 plus A2, which would give us the following number, 1311. At the same time, this could be used as our baseline. For example, we could use that value to divide it even by a constant that I could introduce directly into the expression. A clear example of that would be calculating half of that value, and so on. I could add more and more values in order to obtain, eventually, what I am looking for with this spreadsheet. I hope this video has been useful. See you in the next one.